Obamacare, because they tried to change the name, but it's all you getting. You get Obamacare
Right.
on a 1095-A and don't report it. Let me tell you what that does. That stalls your tax refund from coming. Let's say, for instance, you would do a tax refund. They're going to send you a letter to say, hey, look, you didn't turn in this 1095-A information, so to give you a chance to report this to us, you got 20 days.
You got 20 days. Yep, they'll extend it.
But you got to report it to you. So get your documents in order. Like, get all your documents. Like 2A to that would be get your documents for your personal, but get your documents for your business.
Man, like, I deal with a lot of businesses, right? So, that's my side of the table. Y'all, I can't tell you how, and I guess I'm gonna make this real life. I can't tell you how much money you're giving away by being disorganized. Right? Some of my clients, they'll tell you, like, I'm tough on them. Like, nah, bro, I'm gonna hold you accountable. No, you've been bullshitting the last 3 months, right? We had a consult back in August where we went over everything that you needed to do for this tax year, right? You still don't have those documents. Like, get it all together. If you've been doing business without a registered business in whatever state that you're in, say you're in Arkansas, I mean, fuck. Secretary of State. So this is what you do. I'll spoon feed you. I'm sorry, Kev.
That's cool.
This is what we said we wasn't going to do.
No, that's fine, though.
Google Secretary of State Office of Arkansas. Click on the first link. It's going to take you to the Secretary of State website. In a search bar, click Business Services. It's going to take you to a page where,
keep going.
Business Services. I want you to scroll down about halfway in the page. In the middle, you're going to see incorporation services, new businesses, established businesses, and there's another link. You go to new businesses, right? Scroll down. It's going to take you to all the types of business structures that you can create: LLCs, partnerships, limited liability partnerships, corporations, nonprofits, all of those, C corps. They're going to give you a whole list: foreign, domestic.
Give me y'all keys. Keep going, John.
Keys, bro. So what I want you to do, I'm going to make this super simple. I want you to go down and I want you to find domestic LLC. Click that link. Open the PDF. Right? Fill that form out. When they're asking you about the principal address, use your home address. When they ask you about your registered agent, use your home address. We're going to make this super simple. Right?
Just stop there, Josh.
All right, Key.
Well, that's
how you register a business.
What Josh, the thing is, like, so we plan on doing this part of the podcast 4 weeks from now.
Right. Like,
you know what I'm saying? Like, this that's what I'm saying. Like, just stop.
Shit.
Look, basically, 2A.
Because
with a business owner, if you're a business owner or if you're in real estate, get your documents and records in order, meaning to have all your expenses calculated for the person.
Call me.
That's doing your taxes. Have all of your income calculated. And if you can't, get with somebody that can get that done, because this is where a lot of people messed up with their EIDL and PPP loans this time around. You didn't have your documentation. So you couldn't even report to the people about your revenue.
Moment of transparency. Why I'm so passionate about this, because in 2020, early 2020, this was me.
Understand this,
y'all.
man.
I'm not telling you to do anything that I'm not doing or I haven't gone through.
Understand this. I work with banks. I work with other tax accounting firms. I work with financial advisors. I work with these kind of people. And the best thing that you can do is have your documents. Like, when you walk into a bank, don't give nothing, no cares about who you are in your hood.
At all.
They don't care about what your name is. Well, sometimes your name matters.
Yeah, your name
depending on your last name.
Right. Really,
but for the most part, when you walk into these banks, they want to see your statements.
Statements. What's your P&L?
What's your revenue? What's your revenue statement? What's your cash flow statement? How do your cash flow statements look? When you walk in, can you show me that you've been generating income and profit?
Everybody wants $100,000, but nobody can justify it.
Just because you're probably not making it.
You can't make. Listen,
It's not easy to do this.
yo.
But the butt is let's stay on.
Yeah,
let's
tell
stay
them on the
track.
butt. Tell them on the butt.
Let's stay on track.
Yep.
But we're gonna stay on track. Join us. Look, in our private trainings and mentorship that we do, we talk about all of this.
All of it.
But
like,
it's only so much we can do
in 45 minutes.
because I'm gonna say this. You get an elementary, like you get an elementary level education right now. And it's not that you can't handle high school or maybe even college.
Mm-hmm.
It's just you get an elementary because it's only so much we can do on this
In 45
platform.
minutes, like.
It's only so much. I can't. I'm not going to do slides on here.
Oh,
You know what I'm
God,
saying?
no.
Or,
Yeah.
or I'm not going to do like one-on-one looking over your personal information.
Ooh, no.
It's
That's way too much.
it's hard to do that on here. So what you get is advice and what you need to do, but how to do it all the time, we can't. We can't always get it to you. The how,
Right?
It's not. With finances and taxes, it's just not tasteful.
Yeah.
It's just not
to try to cram pack that much pertinent information into a 30-minute, 35-minute slot. It's not. We'd be doing y'all a disservice if we tried to do that.
So as we going through these tax planning 2A, getting your business records in order, that's a real thing you need to go do.
Yeah.
Like you need to be thinking about your receipts. Imagine this: if you walking into the IRS office with a box of receipts, you're a target because you're not organized.
You're not organized.
So you need to be organized. I need to be able to.
Okay, Kev, what's a better alternative? Because I literally just thought of 5 people off the top of my head with shoe boxes with receipts in them.
I'm gonna give you step one. If you can't do it by hand, find some good software.
Yep.
So by hand would be you going to Staples or
Office Depot.
whatever that big box store is. You go to Walmart.
Yeah.
And getting you a expense book.
Yep.
And writing it out by hand, and going to your bank, getting the statements, doing it by hand. You could do it by hand if you're one of them people who don't want to spend the money.
Mm-hmm.
Do it by hand.
Yep.
Secondly, you can get software. TaxBot.
TaxBot.
I got. If you need TaxBot, let me know.
Yeah.
Put it in the comments. I'll send it to you. TaxBot is software. Cashflow Manager is software. Get some type of software that you can. QuickBooks. It's software. We have a bookkeeping side of the firm to what we do. We have a whole bookkeeping department. Like, so if you want to buy the software, that's the second level.
Yep.
That's gonna cost you about $10 a month.
Yep.
And then if you want us to do it,
like we'll take up. Like
we'll do all of it for you.
Right, we'll do it for you.
Matter of fact, the easiest thing that people did with us this year was when we did their taxes and we did their bookkeeping and we applied for the EIDL. Their bank was like, dang, y'all had everything y'all needed,
right?
Because we did everything. So you can hire us to do it.
We'll do it.
This is the question: are you gonna continue to let your pennies count your dollars? Because I'm gonna tell you right now, the people we helped because of their proper planning, their tax planning that they did 2 years ago when they listened, it was like, dang, Kevin, I need to get some kind of software. Thank you for telling me that, because now with the PPP, they asking you for it.
Yeah, and I know exactly where it is.
So that's second part of tax planning. If you're in real estate, keep your records.
Keep good records. That's what any business.
If you're in Schedule C, keep your records. Keep all your stuff. So our Facebook people, we're going to end it with that. We're about to finish up on the podcast. If you want to join us, check out, we on Spreaker.
We're on Spreaker,
Spotify,
iHeartRadio, iTunes. Are we on iTunes?
We're on iTunes.
We're on iTunes.
What's the other one? SoundCloud.
Yep.
We on all those, man. We've been working.
We got to get on Anchor too.
Huh?
We got to get on Anchor.
Yeah. Hey, look, we on everything. We gonna get on Anchor next, but it's 2 years of content out there.
Yeah.
So we gonna end it with our Facebook family.
Yep.
Thank y'all for checking it out. We're gonna finish up with our. Yeah, they're gonna just get that part. All right. So look, our podcasters.
Yep.
This is a time where we need for you all to take what we're saying and go apply it.
Apply it.
If you don't know how to apply what we're saying, you need to find someone to help you with this. It don't have to be us.
It doesn't.
I'm saying this because I love you.
Right.
Like, Forget all the playful stuff.
Right.
I love you enough to tell you the truth. Don't use us.
Don't.
Find somebody else. If you got the person in your state that's like, hey, they do a good job at what they do, use them.
Just stick with them.
But you need to get your business in order, and planning is key. Tax planning is key. I'm not saying this stuff so you can say, hey, well, Kevin said I can't do nothing about it now. Yes, you can.
You can.
If you want a tree to grow today, you should have planted it 5 years ago.
Yep.
That's nature. Same thing apply to your finances. If you want your money to grow to where you want to have abundance and overflow of blessings, you should have planted it 5 years ago.
Yep. So now that you don't have any trees with shade, right? Not this year. So let's not cry about it. Let's go ahead and plant some seeds this year. So in 5 years from now, I mean, because
you don't get the fruit first.
we all planning to still be here. Like,
Yeah, you don't. What you gonna do? Where you gonna go?
where you go? Right. Where you going?
I watched this earlier, Josh, and this is playing in capital. I know we tax planning tonight, but also playing your mindset.
Yeah.
Man, I was watching this earlier
so
today.
much of this is mindset.
Yeah, and that's what business community, financial
Yeah,
pathology,
financial
like
pathology,
it's
right.
mindset. I was meeting with this girl. I was watching this video about this girl, and she was like, "Well, I don't believe in capitalistic rhetoric, pretty much." Mm-hmm. This is what you got to realize.
I guarantee you she's getting capitalized on.
Oh no,
Guaranteed.
no! She's capitalizing on other people, and this is part where you don't realize.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Look, there's only so many economic systems that you can use
That
that
you can
works.
have, yep.
Socialism doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
If you want socialism, go look at Germany, Nazi Germany,
Yep. Cuba.
Cuba.
Come on.
I'm gonna do something. Go look at parts of like.
Yeah.
If you don't like socialism, communism is a little bit. Go look at China and Russia.
I'm not going to communism, fam.
But
I can't do it.
So you have to pick your
You gotta
system.
pick right.
Unless you're gonna create a new one.
And I'm waiting.
The smartest minds are the smartest minds. Has looked at this deeper than what your young mind can.
Right.
Capitalism works because it works.
Because it works. Right? So my thing is, I made a post. I really don't even think I posted it. I made a post though on Facebook simply saying I don't want to live in a country full of dependents. I don't. Right? Because it doesn't work. Like fundamentally, who we are as humans. Like,
you were born to create.
You were born to create. You were born to work.
To grow. Do you see trees complaining about being trees?
At all. No.
Do you see grass like, man, I don't feel like being grass today?
What?
The only difference between you and those things is that you think.
Oh. On a higher level.
So your thoughts become things. It happens no matter what. Like that's what you was designed to be. So because of that, it attaches you to an economic system where you can create and build around who you are.
Yeah.
Look, stop trying to fight capitalism. Just understand capitalism.
Listen, capitalism isn't negative. It's not a bad system.
Not when you look at the other ones.
No.
You know what I'm saying? We've used other systems. If you don't like this one, go back to slavery.
Go back to slavery.
Matter of fact,
We'll try that again.
Scratch that. Slavery was capitalism. If you don't like slavery, go to African slavery. Different system. Go watch Blood Diamonds. Long or short.
Man, if you don't like it over here, go to the Middle East. Huh?
Go to a third world country.
Go to communist Russia where so all of you motherfuckers that's, just super comfortable talking shit about Trump. Oh, all of y'all would have been locked up or dead. What?
Over there?
Oh, what?
Look, that's
like they going, you mad because people, because some police knocked on your door or
that's why capitalism,
a no-knock warrant?
Capitalism is what it is. It is what it is. You're going to have to become part of some economic system, and that system is going to have to be what you choose.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you were born in this system. So if you're born in this system, your only other choice is to go to another one.
Yep.
And if you don't got the money to go to another one right now, guess what? You lost.
You lost.
Because this system is built on money. So all the people out there saying, hey, well, man, I believe in the all and I want to connect to the universe and all that. Do it.
That sounds good.
I connect too.
Yeah.
I'm plugged in. I'm
Every
tapped
day,
in.
333.